Snoring is a common phenomenon that affects people of all ages and backgrounds. While it might seem like just an annoying nighttime noise, snoring can sometimes signal underlying health issues. In this video, we'll explore what causes snoring, why some people are more prone to it, and when it might be a sign of something more serious. By understanding the mechanics behind snoring, you can take steps to improve your sleep quality and overall health. Let's start by looking at what exactly happens in the body when someone snores. Snoring is the sound produced when air flows past relaxed tissues in your throat, causing them to vibrate as you breathe. This vibration creates the familiar rumbling or snorting noise that can disrupt sleep for both the snorer and anyone nearby. Snoring can range from soft and occasional to loud and chronic. Understanding what snoring is helps us appreciate why it happens and what factors can make it worse. Next, let's examine the anatomy involved in snoring and how airflow is affected during sleep. The main structures involved in snoring include the soft palate, uvula, tongue, tonsils, and the walls of the throat. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax, which can cause these tissues to partially block your airway. As air tries to move through this narrowed passage, the tissues vibrate, producing the sound of snoring. The more the airway is narrowed, the louder the snoring tends to be. Let's take a closer look at how these anatomical features contribute to snoring. When you are awake, the muscles in your throat keep your airway open, allowing air to flow freely to your lungs. However, as you drift into deeper stages of sleep, these muscles relax, and the airway can become narrower. This narrowing increases the likelihood of tissue vibration, especially if there are other contributing factors like nasal congestion or excess tissue in the throat. The result is the characteristic snoring sound. Now, let's explore the most common causes that can make snoring worse. Several factors can increase the likelihood of snoring. These include being overweight, having a thick or long soft palate, nasal congestion, alcohol consumption, and sleeping on your back. Each of these factors can contribute to airway narrowing or increased tissue vibration. For example, excess weight can lead to extra tissue around the neck, while alcohol relaxes throat muscles even further. Let's break down each of these causes in more detail. Carrying extra weight, especially around the neck, can put pressure on your airway and make it more likely to collapse during sleep. This is why people who are overweight or obese are at a higher risk of snoring. Losing weight can often reduce or even eliminate snoring for some individuals. It's important to note that even a small reduction in weight can make a noticeable difference in sleep quality and snoring intensity. Alcohol is a known muscle relaxant. When consumed before bedtime, it can cause the muscles in your throat to relax even more than usual. This increased relaxation makes it easier for the airway to become partially blocked, leading to louder and more frequent snoring. Avoiding alcohol in the hours leading up to sleep can help reduce snoring for many people. Let's look at how nasal congestion can also play a role. Blocked nasal passages force you to breathe through your mouth, which increases the chance of snoring. Allergies, colds, or a deviated septum can all contribute to nasal congestion. When your nose is blocked, the airflow becomes turbulent, and the tissues in your throat are more likely to vibrate. Treating nasal congestion, whether through medication or lifestyle changes, can help reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. The position in which you sleep can have a big impact on snoring. Sleeping on your back allows gravity to pull the tongue and soft tissues backward, narrowing the airway. This makes snoring more likely. Sleeping on your side, on the other hand, helps keep the airway open and can significantly reduce snoring for many people. Simple changes in sleep position can sometimes make a big difference. As we age, the muscles in our throat become weaker and the airway becomes more prone to collapse during sleep. This is why snoring often becomes more common and louder with age. While aging is a natural process, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and good sleep habits can help minimize the impact of age on snoring. Men are more likely to snore than women, partly due to differences in anatomy and hormone levels. Men typically have narrower air passages and more soft tissue in the throat, which increases the risk of airway obstruction. However, women can also snore, especially after menopause when hormone levels change. Understanding these differences can help tailor solutions for individuals. Genetics can also play a role in snoring. If you have family members who snore, you may be more likely to snore yourself. This is often due to inherited anatomical features, such as a narrow airway, enlarged tonsils, or certain jaw shapes. While you can't change your genetics, being aware of your family history can help you take proactive steps to manage snoring. Sometimes, snoring is caused by temporary factors like a cold, allergies, or drinking alcohol. These causes usually resolve on their own once the underlying issue is addressed. For example, treating a cold or avoiding alcohol before bed can quickly reduce snoring, It's important to distinguish between temporary and chronic snoring to determine the best approach. Chronic snoring occurs regularly and can be a sign of an underlying health problem. Unlike temporary snoring, chronic snoring often requires lifestyle changes or medical intervention. It's important to monitor how often you snore and whether it affects your sleep quality or that of your partner. Chronic snoring can sometimes indicate a more serious condition, such as sleep apnea. While occasional snoring is usually harmless, there are times when it can be a sign of a more serious health issue. If snoring is loud, frequent, and accompanied by pauses in breathing, choking, or gasping, it may indicate obstructive sleep apnea. This condition can have significant health consequences if left untreated. Let's look at the warning signs that snoring may be more than just a nuisance. Sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. The most common type, obstructive sleep apnea, occurs when the throat muscles relax too much and block the airway. This leads to repeated awakenings throughout the night, often without the person realizing it. Sleep apnea can cause daytime fatigue, high blood pressure, and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Common symptoms of sleep apnea include loud snoring, choking or gasping during sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, and difficulty concentrating. If you or your partner notice these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent serious health complications and improve your quality of life. If left untreated, sleep apnea can lead to serious health problems. These include high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even depression. The repeated drops in oxygen levels during sleep put extra strain on the heart and other organs. That's why it's crucial to recognize the signs and seek treatment if you suspect sleep apnea. Diagnosing sleep apnea usually involves a sleep study, where your breathing, heart rate, and oxygen levels are monitored overnight. This can be done at a sleep center or sometimes at home with portable equipment. The results help doctors determine the severity of the condition and the best treatment options. Early diagnosis is key to preventing complications. There are many ways to treat snoring, depending on the cause and severity. Lifestyle changes, such as losing weight, avoiding alcohol, and changing sleep position, are often effective. For more persistent cases, medical devices like CPAP machines or oral appliances may be recommended. In rare cases, surgery may be necessary to remove or tighten tissues in the airway. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference in reducing snoring. These include maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, avoiding alcohol before bed, and establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Elevating your head while sleeping and using nasal strips can also help keep your airway open. Small adjustments can lead to better sleep for you and your partner. Oral appliances are custom-made devices that fit in your mouth and help keep your airway open during sleep. They work by repositioning the jaw or tongue to prevent airway collapse. These devices are especially helpful for people with mild to moderate snoring or sleep apnea. A dentist or sleep specialist can help determine if an oral appliance is right for you. Continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, is a common treatment for moderate to severe sleep apnea. The CPAP machine delivers a steady stream of air through a mask, keeping the airway open throughout the night. This prevents snoring and breathing interruptions, leading to better sleep quality and improved health outcomes. In some cases, surgery may be recommended to address anatomical issues that cause snoring. Procedures can include removing excess tissue from the throat, correcting a deviated septum, or tightening the soft palate. Surgery is usually considered only after other treatments have failed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Snoring isn't just an adult problem, children can snore too. In kids, snoring is often caused by enlarged tonsils or adenoids, allergies, or obesity. Persistent snoring in children should be evaluated by a doctor, as it can affect growth, behavior, and learning. Early intervention can help ensure healthy development. Snoring can disrupt your sleep and that of your partner, leading to daytime fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Even if you don't have sleep apnea, frequent snoring can fragment your sleep cycles and reduce the restorative benefits of sleep. Addressing snoring can improve your overall well-being and relationships. If you or your partner notice loud, frequent snoring, or if you experience choking, gasping, or pauses in breathing during sleep, it's time to see a doctor. Other warning signs include excessive daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Early evaluation can help identify any underlying conditions and guide effective treatment. There are several self-help strategies you can try to reduce snoring. These include sleeping on your side, using extra pillows to elevate your head, avoiding alcohol and sedatives before bed, and keeping your nasal passages clear. Staying hydrated and maintaining a regular sleep schedule can also help. Experiment with these tips to see what works best for you. Nasal strips are adhesive bands that you place on the outside of your nose. They work by physically opening your nostrils, making it easier to breathe through your nose and reducing the likelihood of mouth breathing and snoring. Nasal strips are a simple, drug-free solution that can be effective for people with mild snoring due to nasal congestion. Dry air can irritate the tissues in your throat and nose, making snoring worse. Using a humidifier in your bedroom adds moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated tissues and reduce snoring. This is especially helpful during winter months or in dry climates. Keeping your bedroom environment comfortable can support better sleep. Allergies can cause nasal congestion and swelling, making it harder to breathe through your nose and increasing the risk of snoring. Managing allergies with medication, air purifiers, or avoiding triggers can help keep your nasal passages clear and reduce snoring. If allergies are a frequent problem, talk to your doctor about the best treatment options. Smoking irritates the lining of the nose and throat, causing inflammation and swelling that can narrow the airway. This increases the likelihood of snoring. Quitting smoking not only improves your overall health, but can also reduce or eliminate snoring over time. It's one of the most effective lifestyle changes you can make for better sleep. Certain medications, such as sedatives, muscle relaxants, and sleeping pills, can relax the muscles in your throat and increase the risk of snoring. If you notice that your snoring started or worsened after starting a new medication, talk to your doctor. There may be alternative treatments that don't affect your sleep quality. Pregnancy can increase the likelihood of snoring due to hormonal changes, weight gain, and increased blood flow to the nasal passages. Snoring during pregnancy is usually temporary and resolves after childbirth. However, if snoring is accompanied by breathing pauses or excessive sleepiness, it's important to discuss it with your doctor. As the population ages, snoring and sleep-related breathing disorders are becoming more common. Older adults may have additional risk factors, such as chronic illnesses or medications that affect muscle tone. Addressing snoring in older adults can improve their quality of life and reduce the risk of complications. Snoring can strain relationships, especially if it disrupts your partner's sleep. Communication and understanding are key to finding solutions together. Many couples find that addressing snoring improves not only their sleep, but also their overall relationship satisfaction. Don't hesitate to seek help if snoring is affecting your relationship. The sound of snoring is produced by the vibration of soft tissues in the upper airway. The pitch and volume of snoring can vary depending on which tissues are involved and how much the airway is narrowed. Some people snore softly, while others produce loud, disruptive noises. Understanding the science behind snoring sounds can help identify the best solutions. Poor sleep due to snoring can affect your performance at work or school. Daytime sleepiness, trouble focusing, and irritability are common consequences of disrupted sleep. Addressing snoring can help you feel more alert, productive, and positive throughout the day. Snoring is a universal phenomenon, but attitudes toward it can vary across cultures. In some societies, snoring is seen as a normal part of aging, while in others, it may be considered a sign of poor health. Understanding cultural perspectives can help reduce stigma and encourage people to seek help when needed. Advances in technology have made it easier to monitor and manage snoring. Smartphone apps, wearable devices, and smart pillows can track your sleep patterns and provide feedback on snoring frequency and intensity. These tools can help you identify triggers and measure the effectiveness of different interventions. Researchers are continually studying snoring and sleep disorders to develop better treatments and prevention strategies. New therapies, improved diagnostic tools, and a deeper understanding of the causes of snoring are on the horizon. Staying informed about the latest research can help you make the best choices for your health. There are many myths about snoring, such as the idea that only men snore or that it's always harmless. In reality, anyone can snore, and persistent snoring can be a sign of a serious health issue. Understanding the facts can help you take snoring seriously and seek help when needed. To sum up, snoring is a common issue with many possible causes, from temporary factors like colds to chronic conditions like sleep apnea. While occasional snoring is usually harmless, persistent or loud snoring may require medical attention. By understanding the causes and knowing when to seek help, you can protect your health and enjoy better sleep. Snoring can be more than just a nighttime annoyance. It can impact your health, relationships, and quality of life. If you or someone you know struggles with snoring, don't ignore the signs. Simple changes and timely medical advice can make a big difference. Sleep well and take care of your health. Thank you for joining us as we explored the causes of snoring and when it becomes a serious concern. We hope this information helps you understand snoring better and empowers you to take steps toward healthier sleep. Remember, good sleep is essential for a happy and healthy life. Wishing you restful nights ahead.